to shuffle players in and out in the course of the match, which I think is going to be key. The way he's going to do it, the timing in which he does these substitutions is going to be key. First point will go to the Philippines. Here of Thea Gagate. We'll see all aggression right away from there.
And again, for Alas Pilipinas, the key here will definitely be their service game. This is something that worked for them all throughout the tournament and on their first game against Australia.
9 service aces versus Australia's 2 in that first meeting. So the broken play, Danino will take the underhanded big good up by Australia. And that one will go through the black. First point, care of Emma Burton.
Australia will definitely try their best to outpower Philippines in this game because they were slowed down by the good floor defense of Philippines in their first meeting in the pool phase.
Burton was one of the highest scorers. She made 8